Hello folks, this is Aitananja from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the Realme X50 Pro 5G. This smartphone is the flagship device from Realme right now. Weighs around 205 grams. It's not pretty handy for sure. At the back, there's the camera module just like previous Realme phones. There's the Realme branding and it has a glass front, Gorilla Glass 5 glass back. Dual SIM smartphone has an aluminum frame. Overall, I felt that the looks and design were pretty good. It is around 8.9mm thick. At the bottom, there's the SIM tray slot USB-C port along with the speaker grill. And if you look closely, there is a gasket present on the SIM tray, which means that there is an official IP rating for this smartphone. At the top, there are antenna bands along with the noise cancellation microphone. Talking further about the display, it comes with a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, support for HDR10 Plus, and 409 pixel per inch pixel density. I felt the display was pretty good and it does support really fast charging, one of the fastest charging in class. The Super Dart charge is so fast that you can see it in real time how much it pumps up the battery, and that's something really good. It's a 65-watt charger, 100% in just 35 minutes. It comes with a Snapdragon 865 chipset and you get around 6GB, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, UFS 3.0 storage, really fast 128GB or 256GB variants, has almost every sensor that you require for a great smartphone experience. And let's talk about the camera on this one. There's a 64MP primary sensor, f1.8 aperture, a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. We get the familiar Realme camera UI and there are a lot of different modes here, a 64MP mode as well. I found that the image quality was good. Realme has slightly worked on the image clarity, sharpness, etc. But sometimes the colors were really off the mark and sometimes the colors were really oversaturated. So that's something which has been seen on a lot of Realme smartphones and that's something which needs desperate fixing. If I talk about the video quality, the front camera shoots up to 1080p video, the back camera shoots up to 4K video. There was support for gyro EIS on this one, and even in the videos you can see that there is a lot of saturation going on and the colors look slightly unnatural because they are boosted a lot. So that's something I guess that needs some fixing. The ultra wide sensor shot really well and macro videos are also possible using the smartphone, so that's a good thing. If you talk about gaming and performance, because of the Snapdragon 865 chipset, nothing is too much for the smartphone. It can play almost any games with high settings, and even for extended period of gaming there was no heating whatsoever. Talking about the software on this one, it comes with Realme UI latest version and it's definitely improved from the ColorOS skin which was present on previous smartphones. There are some bloatware applications but they can be uninstalled, so that's a saving grace for the smartphone. The performance is really good. All of the benchmark scores show that it's one of the fastest smartphones out there in the Android world. Wideband L1 support is also present on the smartphone, so that's also an added plus point for this one. The speaker quality is really good. Stereo speaker setup. There's no 3.5mm jack, but it does support HD audio and it comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, which I felt was pretty fast during my testing period. Apart from that, it also has fast face unlock, and overall in terms of features they haven't skimped on anything. The Realme X50 Pro 5G comes with a 4200 mAh battery which will easily last you throughout the day for normal usage, and it has a 90Hz display which makes it one of the better Android flagships out there. The experience is smooth and it all boils down to the pricing. It starts at a price of $550 online and it's still not readily available in a lot of markets. Its direct competitor is the OnePlus 8 and compared to that, it does suffer in some departments. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, I hope you all are safe wherever you are. Please take care of sanitization. Please take care of your health. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.